Well, yes, focusing on the Q3 updates. First, we are having Adani Ports. For the month of December itself, the overall cargo volumes rose almost 8% on a year-on-year basis. And if we take the entire period between April to December, over there also the cargo volumes went at a decent growth of 8% on a year-on-year basis. Now, let's shift focus to the BFSI space, where a lot of Q3 updates are coming from the banking space and the NBFC space. And we'll be looking out for is RBL Bank. Over here, if you see the deposits, if you see the advances, both of these segments going up more than 10% on a year-on-year basis, and even on a sequential basis, they have risen between 3 to 6%. One surprise thing which we saw is the CASA ratios actually going up. Generally, most of the banks have stated that their CASA ratios have come down, but over here, the CASA ratio has actually gone up on a sequential basis by almost 40 basis points. Now, this indicates that the cost of funding might be low for the bank. Now, apart from this, the retail advances and the wholesale advances, both of them growing between 12 to 17% on a year-on-year basis, and that's a very strong number which we are looking at. And this bank has not participated so much in the rally as the PSU banks have come in, so that stock will also be in focus in the day's trade. And the third stock would be in focus would be Poonawala Fincorp, where they have come out with their quarterly updates, where the disbursements have risen by 116% on a year-on-year basis, and on a sequential basis, the number is 7%. Apart from the disbursements, the consolidated AUM is something growing almost 28% on a year-on-year basis, and strong management commentary coming in, stating that the growth momentum is strong in the third quarter as well as the fourth quarter, and there is a 100% organic growth coming in. And lastly, they have stated that the GNPA and the NNPA numbers are expected to be below 1.5% and 0.8% for the third quarter.